Hello, good morning, everyone. This is mian waseem hassan. Today we discuss about the most common topic is how to earn money online. There is the huge variety of products available in the last videos. Today we discuss only the one of the most common motive and topic is the fiverr. Firstly, today we will discuss about what is the Fiverr, what is the quality of Fiverr, and who is the founder of the Fiverr, and which type of services he provides us. The first one is Fiverr is the Israel online marketplace for freelancing services. Fiverr serves allow listening and applying the small jobs, gigs online, jobs listed on the platform and diverse the range get as well as design business cards to help with html. Most of person about the uh, language of the computers, html, java, css, and jQuery. Guys, it's a language of computers. Fiverr is the company built on the model of listing temporary work position. Freelancing work is the variety of workplace ranging from home to office. Fiverr serves e-commerce platform. The first one is e-commerce platform, and the companies to sell their subs by using their gigs. First, you generate your gigs and mention about the gigs. The price of gigs depend on how much seller earn per week, and Uh, firstly, we discuss about the history. Fiverr was founded by Mika Kofam and Shia Wing. The founders, the concepts of marketplace, they would provide two-side markets from peoples to buy and sold of digital services offered by freelance contracts. Services offers on the sites include writing, translate, graphic design, video editing, and the programming. Each services offer is called gig. Fiverr services start US $5 and can up to thousand of dollars gig extra. The websites will launch in February 2010 and by 2012 by hosting 1.3 million gigs. In December 2030, Fiverr released their iOS app, Apple App Store, and March 2000 the company published Android app, Google Play Store. In 2015, Amazon started legal action against Fiverr, and in November 2015, Fiverr announced it has US 60 million in Series D capital. And June 2009, February, the company report 1.89.5 million revenue 2000. It means 77% increase the previous fiscal years. And the most common thing is its type of marketplace, availability of language, English, Spanish, French, Dutch, Italian, German. Headquarter in Israel, area worldwide. Industry, online marketplace, freelancing marketplace, online outsourcing. URL, fiverr.com. Commercial, yes, registered, require. Current 1st February 2010, 11 year ago. Status is active, and most of person earn money through Fiverr. And first thing is the secure website. Buyer and seller comes to meet and discuss according to your design. Both parties are will. So I hope this video is coffee most informative for you. Thank you very much.